Hello guys, today is Tuesday 11th, today is 14th actually, of August, and it's more gloomy day as you can see. Less sun, but it's still humid, and it's maybe 75 or 7. And I am here in the yard with tea, and we'll pray again with prayer. I have backpack, because here I have tissues because I have runny nose all the time. I don't know why, if it's allergy or what's, or I'm sick, I don't know, but all the time, every day. And I'm taking Benadryl at night, and I don't wanna take it at day as it would make me sleepy. Maybe it's an allergy, but I don't know on what. Okay, see you later. I go pray.
Should we have salads or not?
I don't know, 1 or 2 we have. No, we
I
buy.
like the little bananas better.
Why?
I don't like the big ones. Because it's too much in my cereal.
Okay.
I don't think they have it.
So, yeah, small. Look. That's small. This one is small.
Yeah, that's a better one versus because that is 5.
Corn. I want a corn. No, it's not corn.
What's the matter?
Here is corn.
Your makeup on?
No.
Did you tie a knot in it? No, so they can all fall out. That's square. And she leaves this thing. Oh, doggies.
Look, so small.
What?
So small.
Those are melons. Those aren't watermelons.
I know. What's the difference?
The size? Okay, you get smaller.
Okay. This one I have, but I don't know. Share $200. Five shelves book shelf. 69. This one is smart TV, and you don't have smart TV.
Yes, I do.
And this one is smart bigger. Look, 50 inches, and it's 4K, and it's 250. Oh, this is nice, chef, but $300 too much. $100 for TV. There's one TV stand.
Oh, you know where we can go? You ever hear of that Jordan Furniture? That's right over by Home Depot. Want to go take a walk on there too, just to see what they have?
Okay.
Well,
This is TV stand.
Yeah, it's too big though. Kind of cheap.
Look. There's one maroon.
It's not maroon.
Or this one.
It's not maroon.
Cranberry.
Oh, so the color of your shirt is maroon.
Mm-hmm.
That's maroon, not red.
T-shirts. Where are we?
There you go, yeah.
Okay.
Long time.
Spaghetti for dinner.
There you go, Mary. You can watch the Pawtucket game tonight. Look at that, huh?
What game?
The minor league.
For dinner, I mean supper with eggs with onion. Scrambled.